Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Alright, yeah, I've been here teaching for since 2015. If you notice, we have over 900 piano tutorials. So I've been here. We are an authority here by the grace of God. Alright, so today I want to show you a very nice drop 2 movement gospel musician use. So I'll be in the key of C. So we're going to do this song by Somisola and Apostle Lawrence Oyo. My daddy. Now listen. Your baby is singing. Now listen. I'll be singing and dancing for him. Right. So that's the move. It goes like this. One. Daddy, your baby is singing. Right. I'll be singing and dancing. The movement again. Right. So I'm going to show you that movement very fast. You should get your paper and pen to write. Right. But before then, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, well, I don't know why you haven't gotten it. But just in case you are just watching the channel for the very first time, or you've not been taking proper notice of that, the flyer is on the screen. I took over 2 hours to talk about those courses. I didn't talk about them. I actually thought about them. I taught them. I explained them. I gave practical examples that will save you 5 years of stress of learning. All right, it will save you 5 years of struggling, learning, trying to learn. You've been playing piano for many years. You've not been able to break through. It's like your sound is still the same sound. You are like, I know a lot of people like that, and some who have gotten this have started testifying. This will change your sound. So you should get this course now. It is just 7,500 for people in Nigeria and $12 for people abroad. That price is even cheaper to the value you get. Yeah, that price is going up very, very soon because I'm already being tempted to take it up because the value is more than the price. Okay, so how do you get it? Go to the about section of this channel now. Click the seller link there. It's going to lead you to my store. You see a particular course, the ultimate intermediate to advanced course, whatever name it is going to be intermediate course. You see the same flyer there. Get that course, right? And your story is going to change. Get that course. I have many other courses also, dangerous piano exercise. I have many other courses also, but I recommend that you should get that alongside others. If you have issues with head training, also I have them all over on the store. You're gonna see a lot of them there. All right, so let's get to the business of the day. You can also chat me on WhatsApp to buy directly from me. My contact is on the homepage of this channel. All right, so we're in the key of C. So the song went my daddy 6. That's La. The baby is singing. That's our 4. Then I'll be singing 1. So this drop 2 guide will work when you have to go from 1 to 5. So because we have 1 1, then 5. So what am I playing? Let me explain now. Let me just teach you, call out the notes so you'll be able to replicate the same. So the first thing I'm doing here is the first move. I have a D on the left. On the right I have a A and F. Next, I have a F on the left. I have a C and A on the right. Next, I have a A on the left. I have a E, F, and C on the right. Then, next, I have a C on the left. I have a G, A, E on the right. Then, next, I have a B on the left. I have a G, A, and D on the right. So it goes for my daddy 6. I believe you are done writing. Your baby is singing, right? Then I'll be singing da da da. Then you go ba 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 ba. Eternity. So you meet them at eternity on your 5. Let's go one more time. My Jesus, my Jesus. Your baby is singing. I'll be singing, I'll dancing, forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to go to the about section of the page to get your copy of that intermediate piano course. I have many other courses too. 500 professional chord book. You want to play chords like me? Get my 500 professional book. You're gonna learn a lot of chords I play. But I recommend that. It's not like there are no other courses, but I recommend it. Everybody should have that course actually, because I did a lot in that course. I gave out a lot. So you should get that course alongside all my other courses. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.